Hi girls, welcome to yet another session of Beauty Gyan with Be Beautiful. Every girl is blessed with a unique eye shape, and today we are looking at makeup for wide set and hooded eyes. So let's check it out. Hooded or wide set eyes are the eyes that have a wide gap between them. So I'm going to show you a few techniques to create an illusion of closer eyes with simple eye contouring. To start it out, I'm going to start with a spoolie and I'm going to brush my eyebrows in an upward direction. So after this, with the help of your eyebrow pencil, start extending your eyebrows towards their inner corners. This will make them appear closer. And while you're doing that, keep on brushing with the spoolie to give it a more natural effect. So that way it won't look as if it's artificial or if it's overdrawn. And repeat the same thing on the other eyebrows and try to keep this shape as similar as you can. And you can instantly see the difference. This is a perfect first step to make your wide eyes look closer. So the next step is going to be sweeping a nude eyeshadow across your eyelids and under your eyebrows. This is going to create shadows and create an illusion of closer eyes. So I'm going to start with a nude eyeshadow and then swipe it with a fluffy brush all across my eyelids and also under my eyebrows. Lastly, apply a liner on the top waterline as well as your lash line only on the outer corners to create an illusion of a closer eyes. I'm going to show you how. So, first I'm going to take a black eye pencil and I'm going to tightline the waterline only halfway through. So, more concentration on the outer corners. This will instantly give me an illusion of a closer eyes. And that's it. You can instantly see the difference. And with that, you can ace your eye makeup for wide set and hooded eyes. Stay tuned to Be Beautiful for more such updates. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Be Beautiful. Bye!